Section 9.1 Example 4, we have pentagon BCDEF has vertices B -3, 3, C 5, 3, D 5, 0, E 1, -3, and F -3, 0. What is the perimeter of BCDEF? We can start by finding the lengths of segments BC, CD, and FB. For BC, we have a horizontal line segment, so we can use the x values -3 and 5 to get the absolute value of -3 minus 5 is the absolute value of -8 or 8. The length of segment BC is 8. To find the length of segment CD, we have a vertical line segment, so we're going to use the y values 3 and 0. The absolute value of 3 minus 0 is the absolute value of 3 or 3. So the length of segment CD is 3. Segment FB is also a vertical line segment, so we are going to use the y values 3 and 0 to get the absolute value of 0 minus 3 is equal to the absolute value of -3 or 3. So the length of segment FB is also 3. We could also have counted for the horizontal and vertical line segments off the graph. Since segment DE is diagonal, we can use the distance formula with D 5, 0 and E 1, -3 to get the square root of 1 minus 5 squared plus -3 minus 0 squared. 1 minus 5 gives us -4, -3 minus 0 gives us -3, -4 squared is 16, -3 squared is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the length of segment DE is 5. We can do the same thing for segment FE, which is also diagonal, using the point F, -3, 0, and E, 1, -3 to get the square root of -3 minus 1 squared plus 0 minus -3 squared. -3 minus 1 gives us -4. 0 minus -3 becomes 0 plus 3, or 3. So we have -4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9. 16 plus 9 again gives us a square root of 25, which is just 5. So the length of segment EF is 5. To find the perimeter of the pentagon, we add all the side lengths. So we have the length of segment BC plus the length of segment CD plus the length of segment DE plus the length of segment EF plus the length of segment FB, which is 8 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3, or 24. Thus, the perimeter of pentagon BCDEF is 24 units. The work for this problem is written out on the next 2 slides. And now I would like you to try homework number 8 on page 550. In exercises 7 and 8, find the perimeter of each pentagon. Pentagon RSTUV with vertices R -6, 2, S -3, 6, T 5, 6, U 5, -2, and V -3, -2.